did you call me?
No.
Buy your pure water. Buy your pure water.
Fine, my baby.
Nice, mama, nice.
Everybody's fine.
I have missed you so much.
Oh, me too. I miss you so very much.
Look at how you are shining. Eh?
Hey.
Look at how you are shining. Hey, again.
Baby.
What is this?
Mama just called me.
Mama again.
I need to go and see her.
You need to go and see her.
Don't worry, I will give you a call. Oh?
You can't even spend some time.
I'm coming now. Just calm down. I will give you a call, baby.
Why is it that every time that you want to have a quiet time, Mama will call? Are you the only daughter? Yeah, I think she's smart. I will see to the end. I think she's wise and smart. Let's play this.
Buy your pure water, yeah. Buy your pure water. Your pure water, yeah. Buy your pure water. Your pure water, yeah. Buy your pure water. Your pure water. Come on. What do you take for my bowl? What pure water? Ma, pure water cannot enter your bag. What do you take for my bowl?
You must be very stupid.
Ma, what do you take for my bowl?
Are you selling this pure water or not?
Ma, what do you take from my bowl?
I said it's pure water.
That money is not your own.
Which money?
That money that you take from my bowl.
So who has the money?
That money is not your own. Ma, bring
If
that money that you take from my bowl.
Shut up, Oisa. If I slap you now, they will say that I'm beating a kid.
Ma, give me that money that you collected from my bowl.
I can see you don't want to say this nonsense pure water for me.
Ma, give me that money that you put inside my bowl.
How much is 100 naira old?
Ma, give me that money that you collected from my bowl. Ma,
I'm no longer bad. Carry this thing and get out. I said you should carry this thing and get out.
Ma, give me the money that you collected from my bowl.
Look at this small boy, you. Boys of nowadays, they don't used to respect their elders. I said you should carry this thing and get out from this place.
Give me the money that you collected from this bowl.
Which money?
Ma,
Hey, come on. Are you stupid?
Ma, give the money that you
Young
collected.
boy. See me sit up.
I put money inside. They asked me her.
They ask me what?
Where is the money? Ask her now. Ask her about the money. I need this money now. Ask her about the money.
Ask you about which money?
Madam, bring that
I
money
put
now.
money inside this bowl.
I put this money. The boy was telling the people. I put the money inside.
Don't look for your money. See,
The
the
I'm
money.
sure that money is inside.
This money
Yeah,
that
man,
I
this is
have
the money.
here
Man, this is the
is my
money.
boyfriend.
No.
Come on. Are you
the
the
money?
money?
This is the
How
exact
dare
money.
you? Did they write your name in this money?
What kind of a human being are you?
Must be very stupid.
Madam, I said you should give me my money.
Which money?
Give me my money now.
Did they write your name in this money?
This money, I collected it from my boyfriend's pocket and put it inside this pure water. The boy
Then
was
go and
angry.
correct. This one is my money. I'm going to where they are exchanging it.
How can you be taking what is not yours?
You, how can you be coming and be taking what?
Give me that money.
Come on.
If you don't take
Obvious,
it,
you know that you collected that money from me. Yes, of course. You know. How could you be so stupid? You think I don't know? You think I don't know when you took your hand inside my pocket and collect that money and place it on top of this water?
the money was so attractive that my hand just entered. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Hey, young lady, give me that money.
Give you which money?
I said you should give me that money. Tell her what you
It's
did.
my boyfriend's money now. Bring it out.
I'm not giving
that
both
you are
of you
doing
this
here.
money. Oh. You people cannot come here and open eyes for me, and I will give you the money that you
Little-
want me to beat
little boy.
you. Beat me.
Hope you remember when you stop.
Yeah.
Like, you are that person that you pass nearby car.
Yes.
And you stop and ask whether you want to buy water.
Yes.
Yes, that moment you said that was the moment she dropped that money on top of your water.
Hey.
So, young lady, give me this money.
That is not enough.
I said she give me this money. Come, give me this money. Are you mad? Give it to me. Don't look at you. Look at how you are defending yourself.
I'm sorry.
I've told you countless times to always be happy with what you have. I keep spending money on you, but you always stay from me.
I'm sorry now.
You are sorry.
Yeah, I told you the other day that I need money. I need money for my busy.
Okay,
You know,
let's
give me
share that
money.
money. Because
Share
I'm the one that stopped this pure water seller.
Share what?
Little
You're
boy,
telling me what?
you can take your water.
Look at him, stupid boy.
You got punish you.
You can go. Look at how you're disgracing yourself.
I'm sorry, I will
You are sorry what?
not do it
Huh?
again.
You will never do it again.
Eh, both of you should be doing this lovely thing and get out in front of my gate. Oh. I don't need rubbish. Before I come back, both of you should leave this place. Rubbish.
Criminal. Look at her, criminal. Without you, I would be facing this kind of things.
I'm sorry now, baby.
Who are you calling baby?
You now,
Who?
I needed the money. I needed the money.
You needed which money?
The handwork of the devil.
Do you know how much is here? In your entire life, will you make this kind of money?
Baby, please now.
See, let me tell you, I don't want to ever see you around me again.
Eh?
Yes, I'm telling you the truth. I don't want to ever see you around me again.
Baby,
Everything we shared is now in the past.
this is 5 years
I
old.
cannot condone this again.
Eh?
I'm telling you the gospel truth.
No, now you cannot do
Please, stay clear from me. Okay?
this. Baby,
Rubbish.
you
Hey,
cannot
I
do
said don't touch me. You are stealing my wife.
this.
Don't!
I'm sorry.
I said don't touch me.
Hey,
Look at you. I'll be covering you up. Look at how you are disgracing me outside.
I will not-
Very soon the whole world will know that you are a thief.
Hey, I will not do it
You are a
again.
girl, you are doing yourself, you are not doing me.
Please, now, I will not do it again, I swear. I swear I will not do it again.
Swear to your own life.
Hey, my dear, Jesus, what have I gotten myself into? Hey, Toto, my mother wants me. Baby, baby.